going to be filming a makeup tutorial, which is something that I haven't done on my channel for a very long time. Today I am filming a tutorial on the eyeshadow look that I currently have on right now. Before I get into this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and follow my social media right there, Mikayla Jayde218. And yeah, if you want to see how to create this eyeshadow look or how I created this eyeshadow look, continue watching.